The ultimate guide to cars. Everything you need to know. Cars are a fundamental part of modern life, offering convenience, freedom, and a vast range of possibilities for transport, business, recreation, and more. This ultimate guide explores the origins of cars, how they are made, the types of cars available, the car business, marketing strategies, and how different cultures shape the way cars are designed and used. The origin of cars. The history of the car is a fascinating journey that dates back to the late 19th century. While various inventors and engineers contributed to the development of the automobile, the first practical car is generally credited to Carl Benz, who built the Benz patent motorwagen in 1885-1886. Powered by an internal combustion engine, it marked the beginning of modern automotive engineering. The development of the car rapidly advanced over the next few decades, with significant contributions from companies like Ford, Mercedes-Benz, and General Motors. The Model T Ford, introduced in 1908, was especially influential, making cars affordable for the mass market. How cars are made. The manufacturing of a car is a complex, multi-stage process involving numerous parts, technologies, and skilled labor. Here's a simplified breakdown. Design and prototyping. Engineers and designers sketch and create models for the car's appearance, structure, and interior. CAD, computer-aided design, software is used to refine the designs. Engine and chassis production. The engine, transmission, and chassis are designed and manufactured in specialized factories. These are the heart of the vehicle. Assembly. Once parts are made, they are sent to the assembly line where robotic arms and human workers assemble the car. This involves attaching the body, painting, and fitting interior components. Testing and quality control. Each car undergoes rigorous testing for safety, functionality, and quality before it's deemed ready for sale. Types of cars. Cars come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and configurations, each suited for different needs and preferences. Sedans. These are the most common type of car, offering a balance of space, comfort, and efficiency. They are ideal for daily commuting and family use. SUVs, sport utility vehicles, offering more space and a higher driving position. SUVs are great for families, off-roading, and long road trips. Hatchbacks. These cars feature a rear door that swings upwards, offering versatile cargo space. They are often smaller than sedans but practical for city driving. Coupes. Two-door cars with a sleek, sporty design. Coupes are generally chosen for style and performance. Convertibles. Cars with roofs that can be retracted, allowing drivers to enjoy open-air driving. They are popular in warm climates. Pickup trucks. Built for heavy-duty work, pickups offer significant cargo space and towing power, making them essential for commercial use and recreation. Minivans. Designed for large families, minivans offer ample seating and cargo space. Electric and hybrid cars. With growing environmental concerns, electric cars, EVs, and hybrid vehicles are becoming more popular due to their low emissions and fuel efficiency. Luxury cars. High-end vehicles designed for comfort, prestige, and advanced technology. Brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi are leaders in this category. Sports cars. Cars designed for high performance, speed, and agility. Popular brands include Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. The car business. The automotive industry is one of the largest and most influential sectors worldwide. It includes car manufacturers, suppliers of parts and raw materials, dealerships, and aftermarket services, like repairs and customization. Major global players such as Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors, and Ford dominate the market, while emerging companies like Tesla are reshaping the industry with electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology. Car marketing. Car marketing is all about showcasing a car's features, performance, and brand identity to persuade consumers to buy. This includes advertising, TV ads, online campaigns, and influencer marketing are used to build brand recognition and excitement about new models. Branding. The reputation and image of a car brand play a significant role in its marketing. Luxury car brands emphasize prestige, while mass-market brands highlight reliability and value for money. Customer engagement. Car dealerships often host test drive events, trade-in programs, and special promotions to encourage sales. Digital transformation. Many brands now use augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and online configurators to let customers experience cars from the comfort of their homes. Cars for every occasion. No matter the occasion, there's a car that fits the bill. Sport cars. For enthusiasts who crave speed and thrilling performance, sports cars like the Porsche 911 or Chevrolet Corvette are ideal. Car sports. Motorsports, such as Formula One, NASCAR, and rally racing, have become global spectacles. These high-performance cars often inspire consumer models, boasting cutting-edge technology and aerodynamics. Cars for work. Pickup trucks and cargo vans, like the Ford F-150 or Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, are commonly used for transportation of goods, tools, or equipment. Cars for travel. When traveling long distances, comfort and fuel efficiency are key. Sedans or SUVs with plenty of legroom and storage space make excellent travel companions. Cars for holiday. For family getaways, a minivan or SUV provides ample space for luggage, pets, and everyone's comfort. Cars for camping. 4x4 vehicles or campers are perfect for off-road adventures. Many models are designed with built-in gear to support camping trips. Cars for caravan. If you're towing a caravan, you need a vehicle with a strong towing capacity. SUVs or pickup trucks are ideal choices. Family car. Families typically prefer spacious, safe, and practical vehicles like minivans, SUVs, or station wagons. Office car. For professionals, a comfortable sedan or luxury car offers prestige and comfort for daily commuting. Each country's car culture. Cars are deeply intertwined with cultural preferences, values, and even the environment. Here's a quick look at car tastes in various countries. Germany, known for precision engineering and luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW. Germans value performance, quality, and innovative technology. United States, pickup trucks, SUVs, and muscle cars, e.g., Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, are highly popular. There's a strong emphasis on power and freedom. Japan. Small, fuel-efficient cars like those from Toyota, Honda, and Nissan are preferred, as are highly specialized vehicles like JDM, Japanese domestic market, models. Italy. Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati are symbols of style and speed. Italians often favor compact, stylish city cars like the Fiat 500. France. French cars, like those from Renault and Peugeot, emphasize comfort, efficiency, and compact design for urban environments. Design of cars. The design of a car is an intricate blend of form and function. A well-designed car balances aesthetics, aerodynamics, comfort, and user experience. Key elements of design include exterior design. The shape, size, and overall silhouette of a car reflect its purpose. Sports cars have sleek, low profiles, while SUVs have larger, more robust designs. Interior design. Comfort features like leather seats, advanced infotainment systems, and ergonomic controls are paramount in modern car design. Color. Car colors vary widely, from neutral tones like black, white, and silver, to more vibrant hues like red, blue, or metallic shades. The choice of color often influences the car's resale value and appeal. Enjoying cars around the world. Cars are not just a mode of transport, they are a source of enjoyment and passion. Car enthusiasts from around the world come together at events like the Goodwood Festival of Speed in the UK, Monaco Grand Prix in France, and Tokyo Auto Show in Japan to celebrate automotive innovation. The thrill of driving, exploring new landscapes, and experiencing the performance of high-end cars continues to captivate people across the globe. Conclusion: whether it's for work, adventure, or pleasure, the car is an indispensable part of modern life. From its humble beginnings in the 19th century to the cutting-edge vehicles of today, the car has evolved to meet a wide range of needs and desires. With continuous advancements in technology, environmental concerns, and cultural shifts, the world of cars will undoubtedly continue to change, offering new opportunities for enjoyment and innovation. The future of cars. What's on the horizon? The future of cars is poised to be a revolutionary shift in technology, design, sustainability, and transportation. As we look ahead, several key trends and innovations are shaping the automotive landscape. Here's what we can expect from future cars. 1. Electric vehicles, EVs. The shift from internal combustion engines, ICE, to electric vehicles, EVs, is already underway, and it will continue to accelerate. Governments around the world are setting ambitious targets to phase out gasoline and diesel cars, and automakers are investing heavily in electric technology. EVs offer cleaner emissions, lower operating costs, and an overall reduction in environmental impact. Key developments in the EV sector include improved battery technology. Advances in battery chemistry, like solid-state batteries or graphene-based batteries, could significantly increase range, reduce charging time, and lower the cost of EVs. Faster charging infrastructure. More widespread and faster charging stations are being rolled out globally, making long-distance EV travel more convenient. Cost parity with ICE vehicles. As battery prices continue to fall, electric vehicles are expected to reach price parity with traditional cars, making them more accessible to the mass market. 2. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting and potentially disruptive developments in the automotive world. Autonomous vehicles, AVs, use a combination of sensors, cameras, radar, and artificial intelligence, AI, to navigate and make decisions without human intervention. What's coming with autonomous vehicles? Increased safety. AVs have the potential to reduce accidents caused by human error, such as distractions, fatigue, and poor decision-making. Mobility as a service, MaaS. Self-driving cars will likely give rise to ride-sharing and autonomous taxi services, where you can simply summon a car without the need for ownership. Redesigning cities. As AVs become more common, the need for parking spaces may decrease, and urban planning may evolve to accommodate more pedestrian-friendly areas and less congestion. 3. Connected cars and the Internet of Things, IoT. Cars of the future will be more connected than ever before. IoT technology will enable vehicles to communicate with each other, infrastructure, and devices, leading to smarter, more efficient transportation systems. Features of connected cars will include vehicle-to-vehicle, V2 communication. This allows cars to talk to each other to prevent accidents, share traffic data, and improve flow. Vehicle-to-infrastructure, V2I, communication. Cars will be able to communicate with traffic signals, road signs, and other infrastructure to optimize driving patterns and reduce congestion. Advanced infotainment and personalization. Expect cars to have seamless integration with your digital life, offering personalized experiences based on your preferences, schedules, and even health data. 4. Sustainability and green technologies. As concerns about climate change grow, future cars will prioritize sustainability and eco-friendly solutions. In addition to electric propulsion, automakers will explore various ways to reduce the environmental impact of vehicles. Green technologies in future cars might include hydrogen fuel cells. While electric vehicles are leading the charge, hydrogen-powered cars are also a promising option. Hydrogen fuel cells produce zero emissions, with water vapor being the only byproduct. Recycled and bio-based materials. Manufacturers will increasingly use sustainable materials for both the interior and exterior of vehicles, such as plant-based plastics, recycled metals, and natural fiber composites. Energy efficiency innovations. Lightweight materials, regenerative braking systems, and more efficient aerodynamics will help future cars consume less energy and increase overall efficiency. 5. Flying cars and vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, vehicles. While it may sound like science fiction, flying cars are closer to reality than many might think. Several companies, such as Terrafugia and Joby Aviation, are developing VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft, which are designed to take off and land vertically, making them ideal for urban environments with limited space. Urban air mobility, UAM, as cities become more crowded, VTOLs could alleviate traffic congestion by offering a new layer of transportation above the streets, such as air taxis or personal flying vehicles. Regulatory and infrastructure challenges. While there's great potential, challenges like air traffic management, safety regulations, and infrastructure development will need to be addressed before flying cars become a mainstream option. 6. Smart materials and shape-shifting design. Future cars may feature materials that can change shape, adapt to different conditions, or repair themselves. These smart materials could be used for self-healing paint, adaptive aerodynamics, or even the structure of the car itself. Shape-changing cars. Think of a car that can change its shape to be more aerodynamic at high speeds or expand to provide more interior space when parked. Advanced aerodynamics. Active aero elements like movable spoilers, grills, and air intakes could make vehicles more fuel efficient by adjusting to driving conditions. 7. Shared mobility and subscription models. In the future, car ownership may not be as common as it is today. The rise of shared mobility and subscription-based services will change the way people access and use vehicles. Car sharing services. Companies like Zipcar and Car2Go are already allowing people to rent cars by the hour. This trend could grow, with autonomous vehicles providing even more flexibility and convenience. Subscription models. Instead of owning a car outright, consumers may subscribe to a service that gives them access to a fleet of vehicles based on their needs. These services could offer a variety of car types, from electric vehicles to luxury models, all for a monthly fee. 8. Artificial intelligence and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. AI will play an increasingly significant role in enhancing the driving experience. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, already include features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking, but future cars will take these systems much further. AI-powered personal assistance. Cars will have virtual assistants that can learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and even suggest routes based on traffic conditions, weather, or personal appointments. Predictive maintenance. AI can monitor a car's health and predict when parts might need repair or replacement, improving safety and reducing unexpected breakdowns. 9. 3D printing and customization. In the future, 3D printing technology could revolutionize car manufacturing by enabling on-demand production of car parts, customization, and even the entire vehicle. Imagine printing out a part for your car instead of waiting for it to be shipped from a factory. Customization. Consumers could order fully customized cars, not just in terms of aesthetics but in terms of performance and features, tailored to their specific needs and preferences. On-demand parts and repairs. In the future, mechanics might use 3D printing to create car parts on site, reducing repair times and cost. 10. Advanced safety and autonomous crash avoidance. While self-driving technology will significantly reduce accidents caused by human error, even human-driven cars of the future will feature advanced safety systems that work beyond traditional airbags and seat belts. Crash prediction. Cars will be able to predict and avoid accidents using AI and real-time data from their surroundings. Enhanced sensors. Future cars will have a network of sensors that can detect obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles from greater distances, allowing for safer driving, even in challenging conditions like fog or rain. Conclusion. The future is now. The future of cars is incredibly exciting, filled with innovations that promise to make transportation safer, more sustainable, and more enjoyable. Whether it's through electric propulsion, self-driving technology, or entirely new forms of mobility, the cars of tomorrow will be far more advanced than those of today. As automakers, tech companies, and governments collaborate, the future of cars will bring about a new era of mobility that's both innovative and transformative.